Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore most asked speaking topic. Describe a wild animal that you want to learn more about. You should say what it is, when and where you saw it. Explain why and what you want to learn more about it. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's begin the sample answer. The wild animal I am eager to learn more about is the giant panda. The giant panda is a large, carnivorous mammal native to the mountain ranges of central China. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive black and white markings and its diet consisting mainly of bamboo. I first learned about the giant panda in a documentary film about endangered species. The documentary featured a national park in China where giant pandas were being protected and bred in captivity. I was fascinated by the panda's unique appearance and its intriguing habit of spending up to 16 hours a day eating bamboo. I was also struck by the panda's endangered status, with only about 1,800 individuals remaining in the wild. There are several reasons why I want to learn more about the giant panda. Firstly, I am intrigued by the panda's specialized diet and the complex digestive system it has evolved to break down cellulose in bamboo. I would like to know more about the panda's unique gut microbiome and how it is able to extract nutrients from such a low-calorie food source. Secondly, I am concerned about the impact of habitat loss and fragmentation on the giant panda population. I would like to learn more about conservation efforts aimed at protecting the panda's habitat and ensuring the long-term survival of this species. Finally, I am interested in the panda's behavior and social structure. I would like to learn more about the panda's mating habits, its communication patterns, and its social interactions with other pandas. To learn more about the giant panda, I would like to read scientific papers and research articles on its biology, ecology, and conservation status. I would also like to watch documentaries and videos featuring the panda in its natural habitat. Additionally, I would like to visit a zoo or wildlife sanctuary that has a giant panda exhibit, where I can observe the panda's behavior and learn from the zookeepers and conservationists who work with the species. By gaining a deeper understanding of the giant panda's biology, ecology, and behavior, I hope to appreciate the importance of conservation efforts and the need to protect this iconic species and its habitat. In short, the giant panda is a fascinating and iconic species that I am eager to learn more about. Through further research and observation, I hope to gain a deeper understanding of the panda's biology, ecology, and behavior, and to appreciate the importance of conservation efforts aimed at protecting this endangered species. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.